Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash script. Today we are going to learn how to concatenate string variables in the bash. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. First step is concatenation operator. You can use concatenate string variables in the bash with the help of the concatenation operator, that is plus equal to. So here we have the code. Let's copy this one, and where we have the test.sh, so here we have that one. Let's comment this and add the code over here. Okay, so let's check the output. So this is string 1 string 2 string 1 plus equal to string 2 equal the string 1. Okay, so this is here you can concatenate that one. So let's go and check this one. So here you can see first step, concatenate the string with the concatenation operator. Okay, so the next one, this first method using the curly braces, dollar curly braces. Okay, so here we go with that one. So let's copy the second one. Let's go to the code. Let's comment this one. Let's add this. So here dollar string 1 string with dollar string 2. Okay, let's check the string 3 what exactly it is. So hello world, the same output, so you can do with this one. Okay, string literals you can say. Next one. Okay, so we using the concatenation in a single line. Okay, so here we have the method 3. Let's copy this and go to the our code. Let's comment this. So here we have a hello and this is the world. Okay, so this is a different one. You can see concatenation in a single line, using concatenation in a single line process. Okay, concatenation in a single line, echo dollar string, and let's see the output of it. Okay, so here we go with this one. Command not found, test sh, line number 263. Let me go and check this one. Echo string, what else miss is over here, method this concatenation with the single word. I will check this one using the printf. Method 4 using the printf, string 1 string 2 printf with this one. Let's use this one. Okay, so here we go with this one. Okay, let's add the string 1 string 2 using the printf. Let's have a look on that one. So this is concatenation is working correctly over here. Okay, so here we will check that part. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.